How can we use Adobe Express to replace a backdrop in a photo? So here I am in Adobe Express. I'm going to start from my own content, so I click here on this big upload button. And here's my image. I want to edit this image, so I select the first option. We need to wait a moment for the image to be fully loaded like that. Then select remove backdrop from the quick actions on the left. Alright, with the backdrop gone, we just simply need to put a brand new image behind this person. We can head to Media Center here and select some stock images or upload our own. I have decided to use the built-in search for stock images. Some of them are paid, a premium. You can see this little crown icon. So I simply going to start with free ones like this brick wall. I select that, and then I will need to stretch it a bit. Just be sure the resolution of the selected stock image is large enough. Alright, and as you may guess, we need to reorder our layers, so drag the backdrop behind the person. Alright, and that's how we replace the original backdrop with a brand new one selected from the media gallery. Now I simply need to download this ready to use image as PNG, maybe as JPEG, that's up to you, and then hit the big blue button download. And here it is. I got this on my hard drive already with the new backdrop. It was really quick and I used only the free software. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.